So something is shifting in the coaching industry right now. And I don't mean shifting slowly. I mean coaches who have figured this out 6 months ago, they are booking around 30 to 40 calls a month. And the coaches who haven't, they are posting the same content, they are running the same funnels and wondering why their close rate sucks, why their calendar is still empty. And the difference between those two groups has nothing to do with their offer, nothing to do with their niche, nothing to do with how good they are. Instead, it has everything to do with what happens after someone shows interest, right? And most coaches never looked at that part, right? That's what this video is about. So here is what's actually happened. The buyer has changed, not the product, not the niche, the buyer. In 2020, a coach could post a content. Someone sees it, someone fills out the form, they wait for 24 hours, 48 hours, and then they get on the ball. It worked because every coach was doing the same thing, right? But now in 2026, the buyer has changed. Whenever someone fills out the form, in their head, they've already decided they want help in that window, in that moment. And that moment is the most valuable moment in your entire business. And most coaches, they just treat it like an email, they will get to it tomorrow. That's where the market shifted, not the content, not the ads, but in that particular window. So let me walk you through what that old model actually looked like because I see this constantly with the coaches right now. Someone finds your Instagram, they binge your content, it resonates with them, and then they click the link in your bio and then they fill out your form, right? And then what happens? It goes into your CRM, your inbox, and someone gets to it when they get to it. 2 hours later, 5 hours later, next morning, and by then, the person who filled out the form, who was active, who was ready, who was in the emotional moment of wanting to change something, has moved on. Not because your offer was wrong, but because nobody was there when they were interested, when they raised their hand, right? That's the old model, and most coaches are still running it. And look, data backs this up. The average coach takes around 2 to 4 hours to follow up with an inbound lead, right? Now, what happens in that particular window? After 5 minutes, conversion drops by 78%. Not 10, not 20, 78%. Meaning, if you are closing 30% of your calls, you are actually at 6% of what's possible. And the other 24%, those are not the lost lead. Those are the people who actually showed interest, but you were just not there, right? That is not a traffic problem. That is a timing problem. And you cannot fix a timing problem with more traffic, right? Now, when I show this to coaches, the first reaction is always, I need to follow up faster, right? And that's true, but that's not the insight because following up faster as a human is not possible at a scale. You are on a client call, you are recording content, you are sleeping, you are in your sessions, right? You cannot be there in the exact moment every lead shows up. Now, that is not a discipline problem. That is the model problem. And the coaches winning right now, they just didn't get more disciplined. They have changed the model entirely. Instead of being available, they have built something that is always there instant. Do you understand the difference? So here is what that shift actually looks like, and it's way more simpler than most people think. Whenever someone fills out your form, in under 60 seconds, they get a message. Not a generic confirmation, but a message in your voice that references exactly what they do, their problems, their goals, and it asks questions to open a real conversation. While that conversation is happening, the system is also qualifying them. Ready or not, right fit or not. If they are the right fit, then it sends the calendar link and then they book. And you find out when there is a new call on your calendar. That's it. 60 seconds from form fill to a live conversation every single time. Now, in coaching, emotional window is everything, right? Someone watches your reel at 11 p.m., they are feeling stuck, they want to change something, right? And they fill out your form. And if they don't hear back from you in that window by morning, that moment has passed. Life got in the way. They have probably talked themselves out of it. And you lost them not because they were not right for you, but because the timing was off. You understand? Here is what I find interesting. The coaches who are winning right now are not the best coaches. They are the most available coaches. And availability in 2026 is not a human quality, it's a system quality. And look, I want to zoom out for a second because I think the deeper shift is this. The coaching businesses, the way it's been built for like last 10 years was built around the coach being the bottleneck. You are the one doing the follow-ups. You are the one creating content. You are the one doing the sales call. You are the one doing the coaching itself. Meaning everything was done by you, right? Now, what's changing is that the parts that don't actually need human can run without a bit. Meaning the coach gets to show up for the parts that actually matters. The relationships, the coaching, the content. Everything else just runs. And that's not the future. That's what's actually happening right now. So if you are a coach watching this, I want you to sit with one question. Not how do I build this? That's secondary. The first question is, what is the gap between someone showing interest, a lead showing interest, and when they first hear from? That number, whatever it is, tells you everything where your business is, right? In under 5 minutes, you are already ahead of 90% of the coaches. Over an hour, you are already losing clients who already found you and then went cold because you were busy, right? That gap is your business. Fix that gap and everything else just get